Welcome my YouTube channel Dream Bikes Hub. What is special about Yamaha R1? The Yamaha R1 is equipped with a cross-plane crankshaft technology, which delivers a more linear torque output and smoother power delivery. What is a Yamaha R1 called? The Yamaha ISFAR1, or simply R1, is a 998cc 69 cu in sports motorcycle made by Yamaha. Yamaha was the first to react, albeit 5 years later, and its ISFAR1 built on the qualities Honda had developed and improved on them: more displacement, more power, lighter weight, better suspension, and stiffer chassis. R1, a superbike. The original R1, circa 1998, can lay legitimate claim to being the first modern superbike when it comes to everything from engine capacity to chassis design to the impact it made on the industry. How much gear in R1? What type of transmission does the Yamaha R1 use? And how many gears does it have? The Yamaha R1 uses a 6-speed transmission system, which is optimized for both track and street riding. What makes Yamaha so special? Yamaha motorcycles are highly regarded for their exceptional performance, reliability, and innovative features. Yamaha offers a wide range of models designed for various riding lifestyles. What is the weakness of the Yamaha R1? The only weakness with the Yamaha R1's Delta Box chassis is that it needs a bit more effort and more precision to get the very best from it at the track, compared to the incredibly adroit GSX R1000. I hope it's informative and helpful for you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support means the world to me, and I'd love for you to join me on this journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.